Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. All right, you guys. So today I decided to make some chicken sandwiches. This is my favorite company as far as the chicken goes. Chicken, Boca Burger, and I have some provolone cheese on top, lettuce, and some honey mustard, and of course we have some regular crinkle fries. Oh yeah! But you know what's missing over here? Some hot sauce. Oh yeah. Okay. I miss this hot sauce. Oh, this one's a black one. I don't know if it's spicier, but because I've had it already and I can't tell the difference. That just woke up every sense in your body. Ooh, does the body good. Body good. That should be enough. I hope you guys are okay. Now let's enjoy this food together. I don't know. I think I was gonna say meal, but whatever. Whatever. Oh yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Take a bite. Ooh. Did you get it? Ooh. Come through, cheese. Oh, it's hot. It's one of those spices where you like, your mind is telling you, no, no. But your belly's like, more, more. Oh. Oh. That is hot. I think it's spicier. Oh. Oh my. So good though. Yeah, I prefer my fries soft, just like this. Not too crispy, but just enough where you can just bite the meat. The meat. You know what I miss so much is JoJo's. Do you guys remember JoJo's? I remember when I was young, I used to order those every time I go to the store. It's a little convenience store down the street from my house. They have the best JoJo's. I wonder if JoJo is a Seattle thing or a Washington State thing. JoJo's. Anyhow, for those of you that don't know what JoJo is, JoJo's are potato wedges, but thinly sliced, about this thick. And it's seasoned, and I don't know if it's baked. I don't know how it's made, but it's really good. It's kind of like this, as far as the flimsy, not too crunchy. Why not? Let's finish it. You know what? I'm going to make some JoJo's one of these days. It shouldn't be that hard. Ooh. Last burger. I mean, sandwich. This sauce is kicking. I need to reach out and touch somebody. What company was that? It's a telephone company that I think the commercial was like, reach out and touch somebody. Something like that. Man. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. That's it. No more. All right, you guys, thank you so much for having brunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Click on that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I see you guys tomorrow off out the way. Ooh. You can go. See you guys tomorrow.